Google Ads conversion. So before we could discuss any other format of ad, let's discuss about conversion tracking, and this is possible with the help of conversion actions in the tools menu. Basically what we are going to do is we can track the based on our goal, whatever we have set, like lead, sales or website traffic, we can track those into our web property and bring that to our Google Ads conversions tab and look at what kind of conversions we had. We can give it a value and we can also give it different value for the conversion. So let's get started how to use this conversion actions. So the first thing we have to do is go and click the tools menu and click on conversion. So once you click that, select the website. So website is our at this moment the digital property. So I'm gonna click purchase and enter a conversion name. So you can enter conversion name whichever you could identify. So I'm entering a generic one saying purchase transaction, and I'm gonna use same value for every conversion. So I can define even different values for each conversion. However, I'm gonna use only same value for each conversion, that is the value of the sale. So I put in as 50 rupees, and rest of the things I'll leave it as such. Once it is uh, done with the filling form, you have to go ahead and proceed to integrate a piece of code, and you can select install the tag yourself option, click on HTML. There'll be two pieces of code which will show up on the page. One is for the global tracking, and one is for the page which will show after purchase transaction. So copy these two codes into a notepad or a text pad. So I'm gonna copy first the global code. This should be there in all of the pages, that is in the header section. The other should be there on the thank you page. So please ensure to add this in your WordPress website. I'll show you how we can add that. So this is the piece of code, event code, which you need to add in the thank you page. So I'm gonna copy both the piece of code and gonna add in the WordPress website. So as you see, once you proceed, it says you got to add the global tag and event snippet on your website. Make sure your tag is working, so you can check. It takes a bit of time to check that. So I have this piece of plugin called insert headers and footers for WordPress, and I'm gonna use this to add the conversion conversion actions piece of code which has been there. So I've added the plugin and I'm gonna show you what where I've added. So this is in the I've added the global uh, global snippet that is to be there in the header section with the help of insert headers and footers, and I'm gonna add the event page in the sorry, event tracking in the thank you page. So I have a plugin called thank you page Excel plugins for my WooCommerce, that is e-commerce of the uh, WordPress, and I have added this particular code in the HTML portion of the page, and I have clicked done. So it will take bit of time to verify the tracking status and let know if the tracking is working or not. So usually it takes about I would say a day. So once it is fixed, I'll be able to track my conversions for given set of sales and lead ads. So you can still go ahead and verify what you have put in your conversion tag. Ensure you need to log out of the backend of the WordPress. So we are good to go now. Any kind of sale that happens on my e-commerce website, I would be able to track within my Google Ads campaign, and that is happening with the help of any of my ads which are going to run for the given tag which I have chosen to add in my website. So by this way I'll be able to track conversions. I hope you remember we had discussed a similar conversion in Google Analytics module. So in the same way we can do for Google Ads also. However, the the code snippet and the setup varies as we have seen in the video. So we are good to move forward, and we can go ahead and set up other ads such as video and shopping and app. We will go ahead with the other demos.